Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 golden rules to improve your body language. Body language is a really important part when it comes to express your views or express your thoughts about any of the process. It's a really underrated skill. Why? Because when we are facing an interview or giving an interview or we are talking, for example, if you're solving a question right now and you know the answer and you know you can solve that question, right? But if you are not able to express that thing, your idea, your thought process in front of the interviewer, so this is the main problem, and it's really an underrated skill which people don't pay attention to, and they should, because this is the really main problem, that many of the people who get rejected in interviews because of that they were not able to express their idea or their thought process clearly to the interviewer. So body language is all about conveying your message clearly to the audience. So if we say about improving 4 ideas or like 4 things that will help you in improving body language, first would be, of course, that eye contact, right? Considering right now I'm talking to you and I'm looking to this camera, and suppose if I look here and start talking, so you wouldn't be paying attention. So making communication or making eye contact with your audience or with whoever you are talking with is really necessary, because it gives the confidence if you can talk with looking into the eyes, right? Other than that is using the help gestures. For example, right now I'm using my hands to tell you each and everything, or maybe if I'm referring, or considering you must have seen people who are in the seminars, or you have seen a couple of videos on the internet where people do TEDx talks and Joe's talks, right? So how do they communicate to the audience, or what kind of things they do to engage to their audience? So these are hand gestures are really important in that. Third one would be, if you would try to make a group of friends where you could actually do public speaking. So if you got any chance to speak out publicly, so do not fear about what other people will do, because that's the most important thing that I have observed. People afraid to indulge in public speaking because they think that what others will think about themselves, right? So but I don't think so. That's the point of even thinking about. So don't be nervous. How this habit will come to you? This habit will come to you if you will start participating in this public speaking. Start with participating with your friends. At least start to speak with your friends. Try to give them a mock presentation before going to the actual one, because at least in front of your friend you could be really confident, right? Other than that, I would suggest you that you could watch videos, or just I was saying the TEDx, because it really helps you in that. And after that, you could put a mirror, right? You could put a mirror in front of yourself and you could start speaking there, and you could see that if you are able to express or not. So do not need to worry, you don't need to hesitate, of course, because the idea is, people often generally miscommunicate or misunderstand that body language or like conveying the message is related to the English. It's not related to the English. It's about that how you convey the message to or the whatever thing that I want to convey to my audience, if my audience is able to observe that or not, right? So these are the things that will help you in improving your body language. Thank you. Thanks a lot.